Here is another interesting question: proving an identity with projection formula. Enjoy the journey. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll discuss a very important trigonometric identity which is based on projection formula. Let me thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos, posting excellent comments and suggestions. This question is from one of our subscribers in India. I hope its solution will help many others. While improving this identity, I am going to use projection formula. But projection formula is not very popular in North America, and therefore I'll also discuss with you what this formula is and give you a short proof of the same. Well, in any case, we need to prove that in a triangle ABC, we need to prove the identity C minus A cos B divided by B minus A cos C equals to sin B over sin C. So as I said, let's first explore what the projection formula is, and then we'll get into this particular proof. Well, here is how I can visually represent the gist of projection formula, which normally is given by that the side A is C cos B plus B cos C, side B is A cos C plus C sin C cos A, and side C is B cos A plus A cos B. Well, literally it really means that in any triangle ABC, the opposite sides, is labeled as ABC lowercase, and these sides are related with cosines of other two angles. How do we relate it? Well, if I drop a perpendicular from C to the line AB, let us say, it divides into two right angle triangles. And in each right angle triangle, we can relate the angles with the adjacent side. Adjacent side means cosine, right? So for example, in the triangle AC, let's call this point as D. So in the triangle ACD, we can say cos A is basically equal to AD over B. And so we can write that B times cos A is the side AD, right? Now, let us look into the other triangle, which is triangle BCD. Now, in this case, what is cos B equal to? Cos B is dB over the hypotenuse A, and so A times cos B is dB. Perfect. Now here comes the final form, which is what we call projection formula, right? Now let's come to the side AB as a whole. A to B can be written as sum of A to D plus D to B, correct? A to B is the side C, and A to D is B cos A. D to B is A cos B. So you see how we related this side C in terms of the other two sides and the other two angles. You get the idea, right? So that is what the projection formula is, right? Similarly, you can prove that A will be equal to what? The other two sides being B and C, right? So it will be B cos C plus C cos B, correct? And B will be what? A and C are the other two things, right? So A cos C plus C cos A. Perfect. So that becomes the projection formula. So projection really means that if I project the point C, we'll get the point D, which can be related with these two sides, and the formula connecting is given here. Absolutely clear, easy to remember, right? Great. So let's apply this to prove the identity we have at hand, which is C minus A cos B divided by B minus A cos C equals to sin B over sin C. Perfect. Well, at this stage, you can always pause the video and answer the question, right? Prove the identity. Let me once again thanks all our viewers and subscribers for those beautiful comments and suggestions. And also some of you who have been contributing us for quality education which we are providing to more than 80 countries. Thanks for your help and contributions. Now let's look into the proof of this identity. Correct. So we can begin with the left side, which basically is C minus A cos B divided by B minus A cos C. Now what is C equals to? We can write C from the projection formula, relating it in cosines of other two sides and angles, right? So other two sides are A and B, right? So we can write this as A cos B plus B cos A, right? Easy to remember, minus A cos B divided by B, other two sides A and B, A and C, right? So A cos C plus C cos A minus A cos C, correct. So we could cancel something with A cos B and A cos B. That is 0. A cos C with A cos C. That is also 0. So we know that the left hand side can be written as B over cos A over C over cos A. Oh, so cos A can be cancelled, correct? So we get this as equal to what? Well, we get this equal to B over C. But we want sin B over sin C. Well, you also know that the sides of the triangle are also represented by their sines, right? So we know A over sin A equals to B over sin B equals to C over sin C, right? So what is B over C equals to? Well, so B over C will be what? Will be sin B over sin C, right? Using the sine law, correct? And that is what we're looking for, right? So that is the right side. And that is how you prove this identity. Do you see that? So that is so simple as that. So I hope with this you understood how do we prove identities very easily. Perfect. I hope you have understood the concept. You can apply the same and practice some more questions from the given playlist. Also, feel free to contribute towards your channel. We are providing quality education worldwide. Please contribute and contact us on the email globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Thank you.